Looking to automate your competitor research? With Browse AI, you can easily streamline this process and gather critical insights that give you a leg up in your industry. In this quick overview, I'll show you exactly how to use Browse AI to automate your competitor research without wasting time on manual tracking or complicated software setups. Browse AI is a powerful tool that allows you to track competitors' websites, monitor their changes, and pull valuable data, all with minimal effort. Whether you're interested in pricing strategies, content updates, or product launches, Browse AI gives you the ability to stay ahead of the competition. Once you sign up and log in, the first thing you'll notice is the easy-to-use interface. The platform lets you build robots or bots that scrape data from your competitors' websites. This means you don't have to manually go through pages or sections. Browse AI automates the process for you. The bots gather exactly the data you need, such as product listings, pricing information, or specific text updates, and organize it in a way that's easy to review and analyze. One of the best features of Browse AI is its ability to monitor changes over time. Say your competitors update their pricing, launch new products, or make changes to their service offering. With Browse AI, you'll be notified instantly of these updates, so you're always in the loop. This is especially valuable when you're trying to spot trends or shifts in the market that could affect your business decisions. The data gathered can then be exported in several formats, making it easy to incorporate into reports, presentations, or any analysis tools you use. Whether you're managing a small business or working in a larger team, Browse AI's data organization features make it easy to put that data to work right away. Another time-saving aspect of Browse AI is its ability to set up recurring tasks. If there are key competitors you want to monitor daily, weekly, or monthly, you can schedule these tasks and the bots will do the rest. This hands-off approach means you can focus on making strategic decisions rather than spending hours collecting data. The beauty of Browse AI is that it doesn't require any coding skills. It's designed to be accessible for everyone, whether you're a marketer, business owner, or digital strategist. You simply point the bot to a web page, select the data you want, and Browse AI does the rest. Even if you're a beginner, you can easily set up your first bot and start gathering competitor data within minutes. But that's not all. Browse AI's pricing plans are flexible, offering you the option to scale as your needs grow. And the best part? You can start automating your competitor research today for free. Yes, you heard that right. Click the link below and you'll get exclusive access to a free trial with some added bonuses to help you get the most out of your experience with Browse AI. By now, you're probably starting to realize just how powerful this tool can be for your business. Automating competitor research with Browse AI helps you save time and energy while providing you with valuable insights that you can act on immediately. But remember, there's so much more you can do with Browse AI once you dive deeper. Take advantage of the exclusive extended free trial we've partnered with Browse AI to offer and start automating your competitor research today. Don't waste any more time manually tracking changes. Let Browse AI do the heavy lifting for you.